Hello. We'd like a table for two, please. How would you? Can we have the menu?
I can take five bowls and a lemonade.
No, you have to take a mini sandwich like me, because it's high in minerals and it has vitamin C and E. I can help you.
Yes, you know that very much.
Hello, I can have a table for two, please. Yes, for me and for my tummy. Can I have the menu, please? Thank you. I want two fat boy sandwich with ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise.
You mini sandwich and a lemon. My love, please. Now it's with a mouth open.
Okay, madam. Thank you so much.
Ay, I eat a lot. Ay.
What will you do? Yes, an ambulance, please. Nino, 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 Nino. This is our way.
Okay, thanks. I got to it.
Okay.
I'm not coming here anymore. Waiter, serving! This is a disaster.